So a new update has surfaced, guys, regarding the Pro version of the Unihertz Tank 4. The top specs of the Pro version of the Tank 4, the Tank 4 Pro, has been reviewed. So let's quickly check out the specs. So according to the details, the Tank 4 would weigh about 530 grams. It's going to be 22.5 millimeter thick. Yeah, very bulky device. It's going to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra 5G octa-core processor. The device also has 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, and it supports memory card expansion. It also has a 6.73-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display. It packs a massive 11,600 mAh battery, and it's expected to support fast charging. So other features includes IP68 and IP69K ratings. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified. It supports NFC, OTG, Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. Of course, the device supports 5G connectivity. It supports Bluetooth 5.3, GPS and other essential navigation systems are all supported. So these are the top features of the upcoming Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. As you can see, this device is obviously better than not just the Unihertz Tank 4 in terms of specs and of course other features, but also its predecessors, the Unihertz Tank 3 and the Tank 3 Pros. Anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.